Kindness changes us. It changes each of us. So does it matter what role you are in the company, whether you can be a kindness catalyst? 1,000 mitzvahs, how small acts of kindness can heal, inspire, and change your life. You know someone is going to be doing something big today. Maybe they're doing something that's a little out of their comfort zone. Send an email, send a text, let them know you're thinking about them. What about listening? I mean, that has got to be the simplest thing. We are so busy, tied into our technology, running 24/7. Maybe somebody just needs to have a friendly ear, and that's something that you could add for them today. Really, why does kindness in the workplace matter? And I came up with the 3 R's that I believe are the most important reasons why kindness in the workplace matters. Your reputation is on the line with your company and your culture. Are you going to be able to recruit great talent to your company? If there's an amazing culture, that'll be a lot easier. The retention possibilities. You're going to be able to keep this great talent when they come to your company and love working for you. I think a lot of people really struggle with self-care because they think it is a selfish act, and nothing could be further from the truth. It increases our happiness, our oxytocin, and it decreases our stress and our anxiety, and who doesn't need that right now? Does your reputation of your company make a difference in how you treat those whole people, the kindness that you exude, the culture that you're creating? Absolutely, it does.